Pterosaur RC Plane, soar through the skies with prehistoric agility. Unleash the thrill of flight with the Pterosaur RC Plane, a dynamic and feature-packed remote-controlled glider inspired by the ancient pterosaur. This EPP foam aircraft is designed for exciting stunts, stable flight, and easy control, making it an ideal choice for kids and RC enthusiasts of all ages. Key features: EPP anti-wear foam construction. The Pterosaur RC Plane is constructed from durable EPP foam material, providing excellent resistance to falls and collisions for long-lasting enjoyment. 360-degree stunt rolls perform impressive aerial maneuvers with one-touch 360-degree stunt rolls in all directions: front, back, left, and right. Fixed-point circling flight. Enjoy the spectacle of the pterosaur gliding in a stable, fixed-point circling flight pattern. Air pressure altitude hold. The air pressure altitude hold function allows the plane to maintain a consistent hover, simplifying control and enabling smooth flight. One-touch takeoff and landing. Simplify flight operations with convenient one-touch takeoff and landing controls, along with ascent, descent, left-right turn, and forward-backward movement. One-touch return. Bring the pterosaur back to its starting point effortlessly with the one-touch return function, ensuring easy retrieval. Headless mode. Fly with ease in headless mode, which eliminates the need to identify the aircraft's orientation. Emergency stop function. Ensure safety with the emergency stop function, providing added control in critical situations. 2.4G all-round remote control. Experience reliable and interference-free control with the 2.4G remote control system, allowing multiple planes to fly simultaneously without signal issues. 6-axis gyroscope stabilization. Benefit from enhanced stability with a 6-axis gyroscope self-stabilization system, resulting in smoother and more controlled flight. Colorful LED night lights. The pterosaur features vibrant LED night lights, adding a cool visual dimension to nighttime flying. 3-speed adjustment. Adapt to different flying conditions and skill levels with 3 adjustable speed settings. Specifications. Product name: Stunt Remote Controlled Aircraft. Product number: L0713. Material: EPP foam. Color: red, green. Battery configuration: 3.7V 500 mAh. Charging time: about 40 minutes. Running time: about 8 minutes. Remote control battery: 3*7 batteries. Motor: 718x4 PCs. Remote control distance: about 80 meters. Package contents: 1 glider, 1 remote controller, 1 modular battery. For fan blades: 1 instruction manual, 1 USB charging cable. Overall, the Pterosaur RC Plane delivers an exciting combination of aerobatic performance, stable handling, and user-friendly features. Its durable construction, versatile control options, and vibrant LED lights make it a standout choice for anyone seeking a thrilling and visually impressive RC flying experience.